Hello everyone, today I'm going to share to you how I save up while living in Japan. Today I'm going to bring you to 2nd Street. It is a second-hand store here in Japan. You can find a lot of things here for sure. If you are in a budget, definitely this is a place for you. We will be looking for an outfit and let's see how much will I spend today. But first, we are just going to explore the store first. They do not only sell clothes, they sell a lot of stuff, furnitures, electronics, anything that you need at home. Even musical instruments are sold here, you guys. There is really something for you at 2nd Street. Like this curling iron from Vidal Sassoon. These curling irons are still brand new. These are some items that are not sold at the store, so they send it to like a second-hand store like the 2nd Street. See, the price is being lower. This one usually like 5,000 yen, and oh my god, I'm surprised to see Dyson hair dryer is also here at 2nd Street. It is only 34,000 yen compared to like if you see this at the store, definitely it's around 50 to 60,000 yen. Practically you can save here. Now let's go upstairs. It's time for outfit shopping. So all the clothes, shoes, bags, and like wallets and other stuff like watches is located at the 2nd floor on this particular 2nd Street branch. Almost anything you need is here at 2nd Street, from t-shirts, long sleeves, jumpers, jeans like this one. I found a Levi's jeans here, Gap, and like branded brands. Really, you can find them at a very low price. You could still find brand new clothes here that are being pulled out from the store that is out of season. You could still find it here. Sale rack, my usual first stop whenever I come here at 2nd Street, because this is the lowest price rack. The goal in coming here is I wanted to look for a jacket or a coat in mind, but I saw something that I really like, and it is, I'm gonna show you. I think I found something that I would like this one. Oh, and also this one. Yeah, and I'm kind of excited. Yeah, I really like this one, you guys. Let's check the price. This one is 1.3 and it's in 50% off. What about the other? Oh, the same thing. Can you see that? What about the other one? This is the more oh god, it's the same thing. It's 50% off. Looking for like a turtleneck thing as well, and guess what? This is the perfect one, and that's the price. And oh, wait for this. Today it's 80% off. Oh my god, I'm gonna try this on. Ayan. That is, yeah. Oh, check out the pants. 500. 50% off. So if you really don't mind wearing second-hand clothing, definitely you will enjoy coming here, saving up some cash at the second-hand store like 2nd Street. So by the time that I get bored with this style, it would not be much pain in the pocket to let go of it. Corduroys. Wow. That one is really pretty. Ooh, 500 on there. On this particular rack, there's still a lot of nice things or items to choose. Like this one, this is still brand new. Original tag is still intact, and look at the price. Oh my god. So that is what the jumper overall looks like. I am really interested on this one, so that's me. Let's try on the things that we got. There's a lot of items that I pick up, but I don't know yet if I'm gonna pick them all up. Yeah, so that is, yeah, I really needed something like a black turtleneck sweater, so I'm trying this one. So this is from the sale rack. What do you think? Do I get it? So here's a more closer look at that overall that I showed you a while ago. Looks flattering though on me. What do you think? Finally, we are out at the store and I am already excited to show you what I got, and I will see you all at home in a bit. Yes, I got the black turtleneck unquestionably because look at the price and the item is still very, very good. So next is this black corduroy pants and look at the price. It's 500 and still 50% off. So I only paid like 250 yen and it's from the brand Geo. You are right. I got the overall because I cannot pass on this one. This one, I think it's still brand new because as you can see, this is the original tag. It is still here, and guess how much is the price on this one? See, it is only 900 yen based on the material of this like overall. For me, it seems like yung mga nakikita ko sa Shimamura or sa mga nasa 3,900 yen siya, yung material niya. It's thick. Yeah, it's thick. It is not see-through at all, unlike with other, yung mga nasa Akano rin, ganyan. Definitely, this one is sold like sa mga medyo mahal na mga store. So, I really did a good deal on this one. Still brand new. See that? Haha. Now let's try putting them on. I'm just gonna try fitting it on with my jean pants. It looks really good paired with the jeans, and next is fitting it together with the corduroy pants that I got there. Yeah, looks pretty good. And yeah, if you want a more neutral or very like, you know, if you're into like black things, then yeah, it really looks so good and it's comfortable on the neck as well. So this is the corduroy pants that I got. Fits so perfectly on me. The waistline is just perfect. It's not very tight and high-waisted or low-waisted or whatnot. And here's the overall. I really bought the turtleneck sweater because of this overall. It is just a perfect pair with. See that? It is square pants and yeah, really looks flattering and still has that enough space for you to breathe or eat. So I end up getting 3 pieces of clothing. There's a second street. And the moment of truth, how much did I spend for the 3 items that I got? So let me show you. So here's my receipt from 2nd Street. Ayan, you can see that I purchased 3 items there. And here is the grand total. I only spent 1,815 yen on these 3 items. You guys, diba? I'm really happy with my purchase today from 2nd Street. Perfect na perfect yung timing niya when we went there. Maraming mga bagong display. Depende din kasi yan sa timing if pag nagpunta ka doon, hindi pa sila nag-display ng bago or yung mga naiiwan na lang yung madadatnan mo. This time that I went there, marami pa talagang naka-display and marami pa yung naka-sale na rack, as in like from up to 80% off. I was really contemplating if whether I'm gonna get that, you know, jumper, yung black na jumper aside from nito nung finit ko, but I feel like I wouldn't need another black one, so sinoli ko na lang. Pero that one was only 300 yen and 80% off. So magkano na lang yan? hakuyin. Diba? So, if you are lucky enough, then you will really find something na sobrang mura. Yung quality ng mga clothes, it's still very okay to wear. Hindi pa talaga siya yung, unlike from sa ukay-ukay sa Pilipinas, di ba? You see na parang mura-mura 20 pesos, pero parang basahan na. But here, no. Pag matagal na siyang naka-display, paunti-unti na nilang sinisale, eto pa ganyan, and then nung una, 30% off. Next is pag hindi pa nabenta, 50% off. Tapos pag hindi pa rin nabenta, then all out 80% off. Before, I got a Gap jacket there. 500 yen lang. Tapos din siya, parang 80% off kasi 200 na lang yung binayad ko sa kanya. So, 'di ba? Sulit na sulit din. I know going to second-hand store is not everybody's cup of tea, pero sa akin, wala naman siyang problema because sometimes yung mga binibenta din naman talaga doon, especially Second Street, yung mga binibenta naman nila is yung mga hindi nabenta sa mga malalaking store. So, while hindi na yun nabenta, so nilalagay nila sa Second Street and then you can buy them as low price as it could get. So if you are in a tight budget and still wanted to look, chic, trendy, well, definitely going to a second-hand store, it's for you. But if not, if you're not interested in wearing somebody else's clothes, then okay lang din yun. But for me, I don't mind. So maybe sometime in the future you're planning to come here in Japan, make sure that you visit Second Street. They not only sell clothes, but they also sell branded bags, shoes, and a lot of things as well. So maybe you are interested, especially for those bags, wallets that are branded, which is very, very pricey, and you could get them there like more than half the price. And if you're lucky enough, they will like 80% off. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope that this was helpful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to share this video, make sure to share it as well. Maybe there are also other people that you know that are interested on buying some secondhand products here in Japan. So better share, okay? Thank you once again for watching, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And thank you, my friends, for always tuning in, and I hope to see you all on the next one. Bye.